Now we come to the last exercise of chapter 1, that is based on the laws of exponents, right? So laws of exponents you have done in the earlier classes. So this is going to be an easy exercise for you based on the basic laws. So for those who have forgotten, just for revision, let me go through the laws of exponents. The first rule says that if you are having two numbers with the same base and you're multiplying them, then the powers get added. So rule number 1 in the laws of exponents, right? The first rule you can write down is x to the power a into x to the power b is x to the power a plus b. That means if you are having two numbers and you're multiplying them and with they're having the same base, then the powers get added. So suppose we are having 7 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 2. This will become 7 to the power 3 plus 2, that is 7 to the power 5, right? We are just adding the powers. The second rule says that if you are dividing two numbers with the same base, but the powers are different, then we are going to subtract the powers. So x to the power a upon x to the power b will be x to the power a minus b. We'll just subtract the powers. The base will remain same, powers will be subtracted. So 7 to the power 3 upon 7 to the power 2 will become 7 to the power 3 minus 2, that is 7 to the power 1, that is 7. Rule number 3 is if you are having two powers, okay, one power and then bracket another power, then the two powers themselves will get multiplied. So x to the power a whole to the power b will become x to the power ab. That is 7 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. Then you just have to multiply the powers. So we get 7 to the power 6. Okay. So this is rule number 1. When you're multiplying, the powers get added. When you're dividing, the powers get subtracted. If there are two powers, the powers will get multiplied. Going to the next, we have the next rule, that is any number to the power 0 is 1, right? Any number to the power 0 is 1. So 7 to the power 0 will be 1. Next rule, if you are having a negative power, we can make it positive by taking the reciprocal. So x to the power minus a will become 1 upon x to the power a, right? So 7 to the power minus 5, I will write it as 1 upon 7 to the power 5. Rule number 6, if you are having two numbers, in this case, if the powers are same but the bases are different, then we will multiply the bases and let the power remain as it is. So 7 cube into 8 cube. Now see here, the power is same, 3 and 3. So the bases get multiplied. 7 into 8 to the power 3. So answer will be 56 to the power 3. So these are the basic rules which you have already done. So if you are not aware of this, you can note down this and try the questions based on this. So here we have the exercise based on the laws of exponents. So let us do that. So here very simple questions before us. First question, 64 to the power 1 by 2. Now 64, we can write it as 8 square, right? 64 can be written as 8 square and whole to the power 1 by 2. Now there are two powers here. So the rule says x to the power a whole to the power b is x to the power ab. So 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled and we get the answer as 8. Second, we have 32 to the power 1 by 5. Now 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. How do you know that it is 2 to the power 5? Those who do not know can do the prime factorization like this. And when they do the prime factorization, they realize that 32 is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. So 32 to the power 1 by 5. So 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5. So this is going to be 5 by 5. The powers will get multiplied. So this is going to be 2 to the power 1, that is 2. So answer to this will be 2. Then we have 125 to the power 1 by 3. 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3. Same procedure, if you don't know that 125 is 5 cube, do the prime factorization. Whole to the power 1 by 3. So 5 to the power 3 by 3. Powers get multiplied. So 5 to the power 1, answer is 5. So simple, straightforward questions where we get the answers just by using the basic laws of exponents. Same procedure now for question number 2. We have question number 2, 9 to the power 3 by 2. So 9 can be written as 3 square and whole to the power 3 by 2. So the powers get multiplied, 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. We are left with 3 cube, and 3 cube is 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27. Then we have 32 to the power 2 by 5. 32 is 2 to the power 5. This 5 and 5 gets cancelled. We get 2 square, and 2 square we can write as 4. 16 to the power 3 by 4. 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4. Again, when we multiply this, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. We are left with 2 cube, and 2 cube we know is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Fourth part, we have 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. There is a negative power. So far, we were doing only positive parts. This is 5 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and we are left with 5 to the power minus 1. Now, we did the law of exponent, which said that if you are having a negative power, we'll take the reciprocal and make it positive. So 5 to the power 1 by 5 can be written as 1 upon 5 to the power 1, or simply it can be written as 1 by 5. Right? So that's question number 1 and 2. Now we go to question number 3. Question number 3 is 2 to the power 2 by 3, and you find that there is a dot. Okay, this is not a decimal point. This is actually multiplication. The dot here is not the decimal point. It indicates the multiplication. So you're multiplying this. And we just now saw the rule that if you are having two numbers with the same base, the powers will get added. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. This will be 2 to the power 15 will be the LCM. 3 goes 5 times, 5 to the 10, plus 5 goes 3 times. So 3 into 1, 3. Right? LCM is 15, 3 goes 5 times, 5 to the 10. 5 goes 3 times, 3 ones are 3. So answer will be 2 to the power 13 by 15. Then we go to the next one, second part. That is 1 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. Now, when there is a power 7, that is for the numerator as well as for the denominator. So we can write this as 1 to the power 7. This is 3 cubed to the power 7. Now, 1 into 1 into 1. How many times we multiply 1? That is insignificant, because 1 multiplied by n number of times. 1 into 1, 7 times or 100 times or 1000 times, that will still give us 1. Here there are two powers, so powers will get multiplied. 3 into 7 will become 21. So I'll get 1 by 3 to the power 21, or we can write it as 1 by 3 to the power 21, because 1 raised to the power anything will give 1 itself. So the answer is 1 by 3 to the power 21. Part 3, we see that there are two numbers division, and the bases are same, but the powers are different. So x to the power a upon x to the power b is x to the power a minus b. So 11, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. I'm subtracting the bases. Powers are subtracted here. Base is same. Powers are subtracted. So this is going to be 11. Here the LCM is 4. 2 goes 2 times. So 2 ones are 2. Minus 4 into 1 is 1. 4 ones are 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Right? I'm taking the LCM of 2 and 4. 2 goes how many times in 4? 2. So I'll multiply 2 with the numerator. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 goes once in 4. 1 into 1 is 1. So we get answer as 11, 1 by 4. Then the last part is 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8, 1 by 2. So here the law of exponent says that if you are having same powers but different bases, just multiply the base and the power remains same. So 7 into 8, we get 56, and power will remain same. So answer will be 56 to the power 1 by 2. So this is the end of the chapter. So we have completed chapter 1. hope you have also completed chapter 1. If not, please watch the video, practice, because in the next video, I'll be starting with chapter 2, that is polynomials.